Hello, doctor. I've been feeling really unwell lately, and I thought it would be best to come in and get checked out.
Hello! I'm glad you came in. I'm here to help. Can you tell me more about your symptoms and how long you've been experiencing them?
Well, I've had a persistent headache for the past week, and it doesn't seem to be going away with over-the-counter pain relievers. I've also been feeling unusually fatigued, and my throat has been sore. Sometimes, I have a low-grade fever too.
I'm sorry to hear that you've been going through all of this. Let's start by taking your temperature and blood pressure. Then, I'll ask you a few more questions to get a better understanding of what might be going on. Your temperature is slightly elevated. Now, tell me, have you traveled recently, been in close contact with anyone who is sick, or had any other changes in your routine?
No, I haven't traveled, and as far as I know, I haven't been in close contact with anyone who's been sick. My routine has been fairly normal.
Thank you for that information. It helps rule out some possibilities. Based on your symptoms, it's possible that you have an infection, perhaps a viral or bacterial one. I'd like to perform a physical examination to check your throat and listen to your lungs and heart. Is that okay with you?
Yes, of course. Whatever helps figure out what's wrong.
Our throat does look inflamed, and I can hear some congestion in your chest. I'd like to order some tests, including a throat swab and blood work, to confirm the cause of your symptoms. In the meantime, I recommend rest, drinking plenty of fluids, and taking some ibuprofen for the fever and discomfort.
Okay, I'll follow your advice. I just want to feel better. Is there anything else I should be doing while I wait for the test results?
It's important to monitor your symptoms. If they worsen, or if you have any difficulty breathing, please seek immediate medical attention. Otherwise, we'll get you scheduled for those tests, and we'll discuss the results and next steps as soon as they're available. If it is an infection, we'll determine the appropriate treatment.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help and guidance.
You're very welcome. We'll get to the bottom of this, and you'll be feeling better soon. If you have any questions or concerns in the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care, and I'll be in touch with your test results as soon as we have them.